The day started like any other, but that was all about to change when King Grammar's faithful steward came bearing good news.
King Grammar, I come bearing good news.
What is it, my faithful steward?
Chatty, our loyal messenger bird of countless years, has come down with the bird flu.
This is good news?
No, not for Chatty. The good news is we searched Grammar Kingdom far and wide to bring you an extraordinary choice of messenger birds to take over his duties. Any one of these birds would be a fine pick, Your Majesty.
Splendid! Hello, my fine feathered friends. Do tell me a bit about yourselves.
Hello, King Grammar. I will make the best messenger.
And why is that?
I goed to many places in your kingdom already.
Goad. Next.
Hello! I seed many wonderful places in the kingdom.
Seed. Next.
I told your steward I would make the best messenger.
Telled. Next.
What? I doed the same thing.
Next.
I runned really fast before I finally learned how to fly.
Next.
I sitted on the peak of the highest mountain in your kingdom.
Oh my, who trained these birds how to speak?
It is I, Your Majesty. I teached these birds everything I know.
I see. Well, you do realize these birds have not been trained in the proper use of past action verbs?
Oh, forgive me, King Grammar. I doed everything in my power to teach them well.
Oh dear. Perhaps we should have a quick review of action verbs. Remember that we use action verbs to say what something or someone does. The minstrel plays the mandolin. The steward sits and listens. There are also many times we want to talk about what someone did in the past. That could be just a few minutes ago, yesterday, or many years ago. It's all in the past.
Yes, I see.
The minstrel plays the mandolin is happening now. When we talk about the past, we change the verb a little bit. The minstrel played the mandolin happened in the past. With the action verb play and many other action verbs, we change the verb so that it refers to the past by adding the letters ed or d. The court jester juggles is happening now. The court jester juggled happened in the past. We add d to juggle to make the verb refer to it happening in the past.
Got it. D or ed.
Yes, but with some verbs we do not add d or ed to talk about the past.
We don't?
No. Instead, the verb changes in some other way. The steward sits on the stool is happening now. The steward sat on the stool happened in the past. See how sit became sat, not sitted.
I see now. Sit and sat. And the past of the action verb go?
Went.
Say.
Said.
Do.
Did.
Run.
Ran.
Yes. Now we understand, Your Majesty. So, which of these birds do you choose to be your new messenger?
I declare that all of you shall be official messengers of Grammar Kingdom. Now go and spread the good news.
And with that, all the parrots in the castle flied happily.
Flew.
Oh, yes, of course. Flew happily ever after.
Bye, everyone. See you later.